government and the opposition have agreed to end the week-long parliament stalemate. The centre agreed to the opposition's demand for a two-day discussion on the constitution in both Lok Sabha as well as the Rajya Sabha. The discussions are scheduled for the 13th of December and 14th in Lok Sabha and 16th of December and 17th in the Rajya Sabha. Sources have said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi will likely intervene during this debate. The agreement paves the way for discussion on topics like the India-China border truce, the Bangladesh persecution of Hindus and the Sambal violence over a court-ordered survey of a mosque. Now, the India leaders will meet today at 10 a.m. In fact, they met earlier today to prepare the floor strategy. The BJP is squarely blaming the Congress party for resorting to its old tactics of disruption politics. In contrast, the Congress and Uddhav Sena have blamed the centre for running away from the debate in Parliament. Listen in to the war of words.
Well, the Congress party should apologize to the people of India for wasting more than 30 crore of taxpayers' money. In December 1946, the Muslim League had boycotted the parliament, and now in early December, it's the Congress party which has boycotted the parliament. There is similarity between the functioning of the Muslim League pre-independence and the Congress party now. We are hopeful that this logjam will decide, and eventually you will have parliament functioning. As we said, and it is said, that the opposition can have its say, but the government has its way. In fact, Trinamool Congress and many other opposition parties are also not believing in the stance of the Congress party. The Congress party cannot bulldoze parliament. The parliament is the will of the people. Democracy is of the people, for the people, by the people, not of Congress, by Congress, for Congress.
10 बजे मिल रहे हैं, सारे विरोधी दल के हमारे सभी साथी इकट्ठा होंगे। आगे क्या करना है इसका निर्णय भी कल हम वहीं बैठ के ले लेंगे। पर हाथ जोड़कर प्रार्थना है सरकार से कि अरे इतना क्यों डरते हो अडानी से, इतना क्यों मणिपुर मुद्दे पे डरते हो, संभल मुद्दा पे बात करो ना, बताओ क्या है, इतना डरे हुए हो कि तुम सदन नहीं चलने दे रहे हो और हमारी तो सुनते ही नहीं हो, देश की जनता की तो सुन लो।
साबरमती फिल्म देखी जा रही है, प्रधानमंत्री खुद पहुंचे।
प्रधानमंत्री के पास मणिपुर के बारे में कोई समय नहीं है, उनके अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सीमाओं के बारे में कोई समय नहीं है, देश की अर्थव्यवस्था में जीडीपी गिरती जा रही उसके लिए समय नहीं है। अब फिल्में देख रहे हैं, देखें।
Instead of, the hours that he's watching this movie, Sabarmati Report, should have been in the parliamentary working hours. These are parliamentary working hours. These are business hours of the parliament. So without caring about the parliament not functioning for him to watch a movie which has been made tax-free across the states where BJP governs, all the chief ministers have been mandated to, ensure there's a screening that takes place. And now the Prime Minister and the entire cabinet is sitting and watching a movie. What does it speak of his priorities of governance?
Now, the Samajwadi Party says that it will not allow the parliament to function if the Sambal violence is not debated. It asserts that the speaker has assured that the issue will be discussed. Listen in.
आप लोगों की बातचीत हुई है स्पीकर लोकसभा से, किस डिबेट पर उन्होंने एग्रीमेंट किया है? आप लोग संभल कर
देखिए, वो फॉर्मल चीजें आएंगी, लेकिन समाजवादी पार्टी का स्टैंड साफ है। जब तक संभल पर चर्चा नहीं होगी तब तक हम लोग लोकसभा को नहीं चलने देंगे। मुझे उम्मीद है और मैं हर दिन उम्मीद लगाया हूँ, मुझे कल के लिए उम्मीद है कि कल संभल पे चर्चा का मौका
आपने ये संभल पे चर्चा आपने स्पीकर के सामने रखी और वो
बिल्कुल लगातार रख रहे हैं, कोई नई चीज नहीं है।
तो अग्री कर गए हैं वो की बात
से घटना हुई है, सदन बैठा है, हम लोग लगातार इस बात को कह रहे हैं और हाँ, उन्होंने आश्वासन दिया है कि संभल पे चर्चा का मौका देंगे।